play with Juman. Let's see. Yeah. So you better share some of your experiences regarding that.
Experiences?
I mean, regarding about your maneuver, things such as
okay.
dance maneuver.
First of all, they're divided into three.
Okay.
They have three terms. You can call them, the main term is called tumbling. That's what they're using, tumbling. And then the second one is categorized between tricking and flipping. Or tricking, yeah. And then the third is parkour. I can do a little bit of parkour. So
Paku means
parkour and free running, yeah.
Oh, paku. Okay. It's a slang word of I heard something like edit out.
Yeah.
And
I don't like to talk much, more just like to do the action, be in action. I'm an action man.
action.
Okay. You're looking right at
Kita nyo yan si Juman. Ang galing, di ba? Oh, yan siya. Nagta-tumbling, di ba? Isa pa. He will do it again. Pero kapag na-aksidente siya, I'm out of his what do you call this one?
no. If I fall down, you're in.
What he did is capoeira, man. Look at this. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. And I will post also his link from his Instagram, so you can follow him. Okay? Don't forget, man.
I just found
Yung kakalimutan mag-like, share, at subscribe sa aking channel. Dahil andito si Juman, my man. You see? He's thinking something.
go all the way down.
Okay, now pauwi na kami. Tapos na, a day with Juman, the maneuver, Stuntman, the action man is here. So don't forget to like, hit, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget
Definitely, don't forget.
that. You will see the action man. I will post his Instagram.
Yep, make sure to
On
follow me
this.
on my social media.
Yeah.
I usually do Instagram only.
Instagram, but he got
I have a
motivated.
Facebook as well. I have a YouTube also.
Yeah, I will put all the links
Yeah, make
from
sure
the
you-
description.
Yep.
So don't forget to check it out.
Check me out, please. Check me out, guys. I really need the support. I really need the help.
Yeah,
Yeah, share my videos.
yeah. But first of all, you need to share my video. Watch it full. Watch it full.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So end it up, man.
That's it, man. you want to?
Okay, one more thing. Just comment down below any suggestion, comment for
Yes.
Juman,
Yes.
for his maneuver, Stuntman.
Comment below if you
tumbling.
think I should do more videos like this. Yeah.
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 If you want more to see, if you want more of this kind of video, just
Make sure to comment down below.
comment down
guys.
below.
Yeah. Show some love.
Show some love. Now, bye bye.